Does anyone else would like to address the board? Give me your name and address, please.
How did you know?
Tim Murphy, Noel Road. Would it be possible to get the board to pass a resolution that they would put in writing to neighbors on Noel Road? We'll get a 25-foot setback, a fence, and a continuation of the berm when phase 2 of the Cicero Market begins. Would that be possible?
I think Mr. Leon's already basically said that when the second section goes in, that he's going to address those. Bob Smith, do you know anything about that? Second section behind Wal-Mart, isn't it going to be required to have fencing, berms, and things of that sort?
That's my understanding
Yeah.
from talking to Pat. And
Yeah, that's right.
Would it be unreasonable to put that in writing?
This board doesn't have jurisdiction over this, that issue, the planning board does.
All right. Number 2. Why wasn't the letter dated August 30th, 2007, sent to Senator David Voloski from Thomas Say of the Seeker Group Incorporated? The Councilor Charlotte Chawaki read into the September 24th, 2007 Cicero Town Board, included in the meeting minutes.
I didn't have a copy of it.
Can I get one this evening?
I didn't have
Should I read it in tonight, or can it be included in this evening's? Would that be possible?
it. Sure, I didn't know it.
She'll include it.
Okay. Number 3. A significant amount of what Councilor Chawaki said was not included in the minutes. Check CiceroDemocrats.org, there's a video connection. One point in particular. Who would tell this man, Tom Say, who's the developer for Wal-Mart, that there is no problem in regards to the development over there? Why would these minutes not include the above-mentioned letter and more of the councilor's comments? I thought they should have been included. Number 4. Since Wal-Mart is the richest corporation in the world, why don't they take some corporate responsibility and have their sub-developer do the right thing and be a good neighbor to the residents to the north? Maybe they should put a sidewalk up front too. Number 5. In the face of strong opposition, political convenience prevailed to preserve profits, but each day these issues go unresolved. More folks come out like our senator, our assemblyman, the chief of police, town councilors, and they all agree we should have a fence. We have breathed the dust of construction for the past 4 years, and technically, isn't the recent soil removal for the preparation for shop number 3 in violation of our town code, as there is room either way for legal interpretation with this being phase 2? Ms. Attorney?
I didn't follow that question. I need to answer questions that are posed to me by the board.
I'll give you one. Let me continue here. A few related quotes of interest. A politician thinks of the next election, a statesman of the next generation. That's by James Freeman Clark. Another quote, to sin by silence when they should protest makes cowards of men, Abe Lincoln. And the final quote, maybe the namesake of our town had it right, Marcus Tullius Cicero, 106 to 43 BC, Roman orator and statesman, said, the good of the people is the highest law, the more laws, the less justice. Back to number 5. Technically,
Heather, do you feel more comfortable if you research and get back with them?
I actually think it's a question for Jay. I don't think it's a question that either Gary or I can answer.
Then give it to Jay.
can I get an answer to that at the next meeting?
We'll give it to Jay, and
I'll give it to you.
I can't speak for Jay.
Thank you for all your time this evening.
Does anyone else would like to address the board?
Just in relation to Mr. Murphy's 4th point about the sidewalk, does anyone know why Wal-Mart was not required to put a sidewalk in? Mr. Smith, do you have any idea?
That was before my time on the planning board, since we required sidewalks almost everywhere.
Mr. Canarelli?
I can't answer that. I was not at the planning board for those discussions.
Mr. Dzinski, do you recall?
I have no idea.
Mr. Canarelli,
I wasn't
would
on
you
the
research
planning
that and try to get us an answer?
Sure.
Thank you.